I once had a personal injury case where my client sustained some pretty bad injuries. It was a very concerning case because my client had been drinking alcohol, and there was evidence that he may have been under the influence of alcohol. And under Virginia law, in order to prevail on a personal injury claim, you have to be 100% without fault. So when I took the case, I knew that that would be a point of contention, is whether my client was drunk at the time that he was driving and that was the cause of the accident, or if it contributed to the accident. So I don't think anyone else was going to take the case, and in fact I think I was the third attorney that he spoke to. But I plotted out the accident, how it happened, the mechanics of it. We were fortunate enough that there was a police investigation, so there were measurements that were taken by the crash unit on the spot. And so we used that, and after reviewing it, I found, or I believe, that there was this narrow window that we could win this case. As we were gearing up for trial, we were able to settle the case for 6 figures. And so that was a case in the personal injury field that I was very proud of, because so many other lawyers turned it down because my client was under the influence of alcohol. I don't blame them. I almost turned that case down. But again, just digging through the case file, looking at the measurements that were taken by the police crash unit team, I felt that notwithstanding the fact that my client had consumed alcohol, I would be able to prove that he did not cause the accident. And in the end, I think the insurance company agreed. And again, we got a 6-figure settlement out of it.